How to get a student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for and get a student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud using a laptop, computer, iOS or Android device. Right now I'm using iOS device, but however, if you're using any of the other device, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same. So what you're going to do is first of all head over to Google and search Adobe Creative Cloud discount, and then you're going to click on this one. So first of all, you need to make sure that this discount is only eligible for students and teachers. So you got to click on Adobe Creative Cloud for students and teachers. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to an interface like this. Now it would basically give you a discount, and from 59.99 US dollars, it will charge you only 19.99 USD. So for the annual paid monthly plan for the first year, you can click on see terms in order to read the terms about this policy and about Adobe students and teachers discount. So after you have read the terms and you are okay with it, you can simply click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, you will be redirected to another interface that would ask you whether you want to pay annually or pay monthly. So you can just check these out, and after that you can click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will be redirected to another interface that would ask you whether you want to add any AI assistant for Acrobat, which is $1.99 per month. And after that, you're going to click on continue. If you wish to select it, you can simply click on select and click on continue. So here you need to write down your email account in order to create an account. So I'm going to type my account real quick, and after that what you're going to do is simply click on continue. Now here you gotta add your payment information. So you can either use credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover and other cards over here. So what you're gonna do is type down your card number over here, the card number, month and year, first name, last name, your zip code, your country region, and your phone number, which is optional. So you can pay via PayPal or Apple Pay. And once you do so, you can simply click on agree and subscribe. Also, you can review your card over here. So after that, you'll be able to see that you've gotten a student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.